एवरीवन, वेलकम टू क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट। मैं हूं सौम्य कपूर एंड मॉर्ने मॉर्कल इज ऑफिशियली इंडियाज बॉलिंग कोच। वो बॉलिंग कोच बन चुके हैं इंडियन टीम के, और इसके बारे में सारी डिटेल्स के साथ हमारे साथ हैं साहिल मल्होत्रा। साहिल, वेलकम टू क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट। बिग न्यूज कंफर्म हो गई है, बड़ी न्यूज तो है लेकिन कंफर्म हो गई है। व्हाट आर द डिटेल्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल?
I think it was on the cards, and as Cricketex has been reporting on Morne Morkel ever since his name came into the mix. And it came into the mix because Gautam Gambhir is a big fan of Morne Morkel, the bowler, Morne Morkel, the person, Morne Morkel, the coach. So it was a no-brainer as far as Gambhir was concerned. Gambhir always wanted him, and BCCI heard him. Due to some personal reasons, which is not right to share on camera. I'm aware of that, but he wasn't able to join for the Sri Lanka series. He was in South Africa during that time. He's settled in Sydney right now with his family, a young family, very young kids, and he had to go to South Africa for some personal reasons. And now BCCI Secretary Jay Shah has confirmed that he will be joining the Indian team before the Test series versus Bangladesh. So all in all, लग रहा है मोटा मोटी आपको दिलीप ट्रॉफी के अराउंड ये इंडिया आते हुए दिख सकते हैं. और जो प्रिपरेटरी कैंप है चेन्नई के अंदर जो लगने वाला है, एक प्रिपरेटरी कैंप कह लो या एक्सटेंडेड नेट सेशन कह लो बिफोर द फर्स्ट टेस्ट वर्सेस बांग्लादेश, which starts on September 19th. Morne Morkel will be donning the Indian training jersey and will be training the next gen cricketers, the bowlers of India.
Yeah, Sahil, Morne is a big name in the world cricket, in franchise cricket, and everything. लेकिन टीम इंडिया का या बीसीसीआई का एक अनसेट सा रूल रहा है कि हमें सब कुछ मेक इन इंडिया चाहिए. नाउ व्हेन गंभीर इज इन, नाउ वी हैव अ रियान टेंडुलकर एंड नाउ मॉर्ने मॉर्कल. सो कितना ज्यादा प्रेशर होगा ये गंभीर पे तो होगा ही, बट ओवरसीज जो कोचेस हैं उन पे कितना प्रेशर है दैट बॉस वी हैव टू गिव रिजल्ट्स, एल्स इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट मोर प्रॉब्लम्स. क्योंकि एक बार ऐसा हो चुका है हमारे साथ, जब कोच ने मैंडेट चलाने की कोशिश करी तो इंडियन क्रिकेट बहुत डाउनफॉल पे चला गया था. एंड why I'm asking this, because जो ODI क्रिकेट का स्टार्ट हुआ है अंडर गंभीर, that hasn't been good. मैं T20 क्रिकेट का विन भी बहुत अच्छा नहीं मानता, बहुत कन्विंसिंग नहीं था, बट ठीक है 3-0 आप जीत कर आए श्रीलंका से. तो कितना प्रेशर होने वाला है ये ओवरसीज प्लेयर्स के ऊपर? गंभीर के साथ
बहुत प्रेशर होगा सौम्य. इट्स अ वेरी हाई प्रेशर जॉब कोचिंग द इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम इन whichever capacity you call it, whether it's the head coach, bowling coach, batting coach, fielding coach, even the massage therapist, the physios, everyone. You need to be on top of your toes there. It's like you're dealing with the richest cricket board in the world, and it's a very very well paid job. You're taken care of, top notch hotels, your flights and everything is in order. मतलब आपको इन सब चीजों का चिंता नहीं करना है अगला 2 या 3 साल जो भी आपका टेन्योर है उसके लिए. So keeping all those things in mind, I think yes, pressure will be there, pressure to perform will be there, and Morkel would know about that. He has been part of Pakistan cricket team in the past. A different pressure altogether dealing with Pakistan cricketers. वहाँ पे अलग level के interferences रहते हैं. But his tenure wasn't that long enough. He was there with the side during the 2023 ODI World Cup, which was played in India. But after that, he continued with LSG, where he reunited with Gambhir. Both him and Gambhir were together at KKR as well in a different capacity. But the mentor-coach relationship actually started at LSG for 2 years. So both of them have worked together. And if they do well, maybe it's start of a different era now where foreign coaches would be looked at. क्योंकि आपको इतने इंडियन कोचेस अभी देखने को मिल नहीं रहे हैं, ऑप्शंस इतने हैं नहीं आपके पास. सो आपको अगर ओवरसीज जाना है तो टैलेंट है यार. इट नाउ डिपेंड्स how the management, how the BCCI kind of ropes them in and keeps them in good humor and good mind space for them to deliver.
Yeah. Well, we just hope that it goes all well for all the coaches and the Indian team, क्योंकि जैसा हमारे को T20 वर्ल्ड कप फाइनली मिला है उसके बाद एक पॉजिटिविटी है. ठीक है, ODI सीरीज में थोड़ा इधर उधर हो गया, बट एक पॉजिटिव नोट पे चीजें चल रही हैं. We just hope that it continues. Sahil, thank you so much for your insights. We'll join again, talk about Indian cricket and much more. Thank you so much. Bye bye.